Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Leslie and I'm a media correspondent here in Sydney, Australia. Recently, my editor, Novia McDonald-White, gave me the incredible privilege and challenge of exploring Jamaican cuisine down under. Did you know there's a little under 1,000 Jamaicans living in Australia? That's right, just 1,000. And I got to showcase the best stories for you. People like Errol Dunkley, who for 19 years has served Jamaican street food up in Western Australia.
My name is Errol Dunkley and I'm the owner of Kez's Jamaican Kitchen. And we're based here in Western Australia, in a place called Perth, where we bring the flavours to you. Been doing this about 15, 16 years, been here 25 years, and everything nice, like jerk, chicken and rice.
Roderick Grant, who is a leading voice for Jamaican food in Australia's food capital of Melbourne.
Hi, my name is Roderick Grant. I was born and raised in York District in St. Thomas, Jamaica. I've been in Australia, Melbourne since 1995. My company is called Bossman Food. You can check us out this Thursday in Food of the Jamaica Observer. This is our signature dish. Jerk chicken, rice and peas, coconut coleslaw, jerk fried chicken. We call it the Big Lord. Respect.
Each person is so different. Their stories filled with hope, courage, challenge. You'll identify with them all. Check my stories out in Thursday Food of the Jamaican Observer.
Wild One. My name is Daniel Edwards and I'm a social media content creator, also the proud owner of Wingman, Jamaican Hot Wings, and a new social enterprise called Black is Beautiful, based down here in Melbourne. My family is from Lower York, St. Thomas, Jamaica, and I have lived my whole life here in Melbourne. You can check me out in Thursday Food of the Jamaican Observer, but right now me I can yam some jerk chicken, Scotch bonnet sauce, and some white rice, see?
Hi, my name is Damien Roosevelt and I'm the owner of Taste Jamaica Australia. I've been living in Australia for now 15 years. I moved straight from Jamaica to Geelong. So Geelong is in Victoria. It's like 65 k's away from the city of Melbourne. And it's down the coastal area, so beaches, long weekends, it's packed with people. I'm from Westmoreland, Jamaica. That's where my mom's from, Paulette Lawrence. Love her. And my dad's from Hanover, Mr. Boston Roosevelt. So yeah, that's pretty much me.
My name is Lincoln Edwards from the Edwards clan, York District, St. Thomas in Jamaica, aka also Stick Maribo, and I own Stick Maribo Productions. I've been living here in Australia now for 31 years, and I run a food business and the Jamaican Music and Food Festival. Alright, so right now I've made for you the Jamaican style oxtail with broad beans and rice and peas, a Jamaican favorite. Sunday evening now, saying, so Sunday dinner this. Bless it.